lied to as a child. And you were lied to with such vigor and such intensity that you have come to believe this lie, and when I expose it as a lie, many of you will hold on to it and argue against me. Let me explain. If you went to a school similar to me, and you very well may have, and you had teachers like me, which you very well may have, they insisted on this lie to a point of dogma, and the lie was said in these exact words: all objects fall at the same rate. All objects fall at the same rate. All objects fall at the same rate. This is clearly a lie. On Earth, heavier objects fall faster. That is the truth. On Earth, heavier objects fall faster. Truth. Allow me to demonstrate. Here I am on Earth. I have a piece of plastic and a balloon filled with air. Let's see which one falls first. I think the heavier one. It did. The heavier object fell faster because on Earth, heavier objects fall faster. I imagine some of you saying, oh, but all objects of the same size and shape fall at the same rate. This piece of plastic is a different size and shape than this balloon. That's why they fell at a different rate. Okay, here's another test. We have two objects, same size, same shape. One's heavy, one's light. This one's filled with water, this one's filled with air. Two objects. This one's heavier, this one's lighter. Which will hit the ground first? The heavier one, because on Earth, heavier objects fall faster. And then they'll say, oh, no, no, no. I didn't mean all objects fall at the same rate here on Earth. I meant all objects fall at the same rate on the moon. Yes, on the moon, a piece of plastic and a balloon will fall at the same rate. But neither you nor your science teacher have ever been to the moon. If a salesperson sold you a product and told you it was totally safe to use, the first time you use it, it lights on fire and burns your house down. You go back to the salesperson and you say, you told me this was safe. And the salesperson says, oh, no, I didn't mean this item is safe to use on Earth. I meant it's safe to use on the moon. You would think that salesperson was a liar, a charlatan, and you would sue the pants off of them. Maybe you need more evidence. I've got two objects in a thought experiment for you to consider. We're up in an airplane. I jump out of the airplane with a parachute. That's one object. You jump out of the airplane without a parachute. That's object number 2. Which one will hit the ground first? Oh, now I can hear, oh, but there's wind resistance. Yes, there's wind resistance. On Earth, every object you've ever seen fall in your entire life has wind resistance because we're on Earth. That's where you are. Now this example is understandably difficult for many people to accept. If you go up in an airplane with 2 tennis balls, one is filled with lead and one is filled with air, and you drop the tennis balls out of that airplane, which will hit the ground first? The one filled with lead. Why? Because on Earth, heavier objects fall faster. If you don't believe me, Google it. I imagine some of you thinking, no, this can't be true. They hammered into our skulls. All objects fall at the same rate. The only way this could be true is if they were lying to us as children. If you are currently enrolled in school and you have a teacher tell you all objects fall at the same rate, please challenge them. Let me know what happens when you challenge them. Are they talking about the moon?